What if one simple 15-second video could get you millions of views? Look at these videos right here. They're going absolutely crazy. DIY and craft videos like these are racking up millions of views on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Facebook Reels. We're talking 2 million, 6 million, some hitting 20 million views on a single video. And here's the wild part. These DIY video, colorful paper, simple crafts, and tiny little art pieces hit a psychological goldmine. Because every second feels like a little reward for your brain. It's relaxing. It's satisfying. You can't look away. But here's the part nobody is really talking about yet. These videos are now being made 10 times faster using free AI tools. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process using only free tools. So you can start making these videos today. Let's get into it. So, to get started, you only need one prompt. Simply copy the entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Within a few seconds, it will generate 20 unique paper craft video ideas that you can instantly turn into AI videos. Go through the list and pick the idea you like the most. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose this one. Now enter the selected title into ChatGPT and click Generate. This time, ChatGPT will generate 2 prompts for you. The first is a storyboard prompt, and the second is a video prompt. Let's start with the storyboard. Copy the storyboard prompt and open Google Gemini. Paste the prompt and click Generate. Within a few moments, Gemini will create a complete storyboard image, just like the one you see on the screen. Download the storyboard image because we're going to animate it in the next step. Now open Google Flow and create a new project. Select the Omni video model, set the aspect ratio to vertical, and keep the video length at 10 seconds. Upload your storyboard image. Now go back to ChatGPT. Copy the video prompt and paste it into Google Flow. Click Generate. Within a few moments, your storyboard will be transformed into a fully animated video. And that's it. Using this exact workflow, you can create an unlimited number of AI paper craft videos in just a few minutes. If you're looking for even more creative ideas, simply ask ChatGPT something like, "Give me iconic paper craft ideas inspired by famous movie scenes." For example, you can generate concepts based on Titanic, X-Men, superhero movies, fantasy films, and many other popular franchises. ChatGPT will continue generating fresh, engaging concepts that can easily be turned into unique paper craft animations. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more AI workflows, free AI tools, and creative content ideas.